It's recording.
I went up that, me and Mom.
Yeah, I did too. The one up to the top and the other one over there.
Cal!
Not lucky. Yeah, that is definitely, see?
Oh,
Yeah,
That's not deer. That's either a coyote or a wolf. It's hard to tell.
the wolf has 3 calves.
Well, they're both identical, except the wolf is bigger and
That's how big the print is.
oh, that's great. You got this.
I don't want her flipping that thing over on itself. If it's going to go up that, she's got to go fast.
You know why the sand is here?
Did he dug up the whole time?
Because 10,000 years ago, there used to be water here.